Why the British they don't like to take the refugees in? British have to remember 2016. Trump said America first. He gonna build a wall. You know what the stupid British idiot bastard piece of trash what they do to Trump? They insult Trump said Trump gonna put America first. Trump gonna build a border. That House of Commons or that stupid house, the number 10 house, that bunch of maniacs, low life, crazy maniacs, they don't comb their hair. Sitting there yapping their mouth. Yeah, 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 bunch of criminals. By the way, my point is France keep pushing the refugees to the British because they killed Gaddafi. Even though France is. What happened to Francois, that bastard? Anyway, so the British, they have no choice. France have to push the freaking refugee dump on them. The British cause chaos. France have to find a big boat, big ship, and dump them in one time in the British, how do you call it, water. Because Trump said, America first, 2016. What this crazy Theresa Tome and a crony insult Trump left and right. So why they don't like to take the refugees? France have to keep pushing refugees on the British because the British causing chaos the whole world. Now, the Ghana president kissing Queen Elizabeth ass, that dead Queen Elizabeth. She's a fake Queen Elizabeth anyway. Fake royal family. So France have to keep dumping refugees in the British water. Keep pushing it. France, British people cause this chaos. They have to deal with it. France, I don't like Macron, but sometimes I like sometimes, sometimes I like him. Sometimes he makes sense. France have to keep dumping the refugees to the British water so we can come to Paris and have fun. Look at Paris. I don't like to go to Paris. Bunch of criminals take all over the place. So the British deal with it. You cause it, you're gonna deal with it. Now the British people they are complaining about refugee crisis. 2016, Trump said America first. He gonna build a wall. What the British people do to Trump, scumbags. Now you don't want the refugees. You're gonna have the refugees. I can't say this. I support France. Dump the refugees to the British water. Dump them. Don't have small boat. France have to have a big, huge ship and put all of them and ship them to British water. British causing this chaos, so the British how to deal with. Look at that stupid Harry running around with a stupid wife in New York City here. Fake royal family. Anyway, so France, do your thing. Oh my God. Now the British people, they don't want it. They don't want the refugees. You cause this chaos, killing Gaddafi. British people lie. Lie, 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 lie. To British people lie. To France, lie. To how do you call it? Tony Blair, lie. Kill Gaddafi. Now you don't want the refugees. Fuck you, British. Not the British people. I'm talking about the criminal British elite. I'm talking about them. Screw you guys.